Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I'm going to do something a little different. I have a piece of plexiglass here, still has the protective plastic coating on the front and back, but I've never actually poured on a flat piece of glass or plexiglass before, so I wanted to give this a try and just see what it looks like and what I can do with it. So I'm using the Prism Violet, and I have Brilliant Magenta, and then I have 24 karat gold, turquoise, this is emerald green, and this is frosted bubbly. And I want to do a paint kiss on this, so I'm going to get the colors layered in these cups. In the first cup we're starting with the gold, and then the violet, and then the magenta, and then just repeat. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol and a little water for consistency. This side we started with the frosted bubbly, the turquoise, and then the emerald green, and then repeated. So I'm going to turn it this way, long ways, so I have more room to kiss on this piece of plastic. And I had way too much paint mixed up, which I figured I did, but let's see what happens. Looks like I'm going to have a boy side and a girl side. Let's do a little more tilting and see if we can't get something to come up out of there. I am getting some cells popping up. That looks really promising. So I'm going to tilt it a little bit this way, a little bit more, and then I got a couple places where the paint has pulled away from the plexiglass, and then I'm just touching up the edges and the sides. I do like these colors together. I'm just not sure about the design yet. So it looks like I'm trying to get something there in the center popping up in the gold. So we may work on that a little bit and let it develop and see what happens. Still got a couple places where the paint has pulled away from the plexiglass, but here it is dried, and I think I actually like this flipped around. The colors are very vibrant and beautiful, and you can see where that gold did develop something there in the center, and it kind of looks like a flower to me. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is it a flower? Is it a brain? I don't know. But I also have a couple little places where the paint did pull back from the plexiglass and left where you can see through it, and at first I wasn't too sure I liked it, but I think that's going to leave me an opportunity to embellish it some. So you may see this piece again once I do something else with it. But let me know what you think in the comments section below, and please click like and share, subscribe if you haven't, ring that bell, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye for now.